Good morning, students. As we know that our aptitude is going on, and till now we have done the first chapter, that is the analogy. And in our as you can see, this is your aptitude book, that is Know Your Aptitude for the class 7th. And if you open it, you will find the index, and as you can see that there will be the first 5 chapters will come: analogy, series, classification, ranking, and sequence. So analogy we have already done. Now let's start the next, that is series. Then the rest 3 will left, that is classification is very easy. I will try to cover the classification in this series only, and then sequence very easy. So in the next video we will discuss about the ranking and the sequence, and then from 1st of the May onwards we will start our revision for the PA1 examination. And I hope you all got the blueprint of the mathematics as well as the date sheet. So kindly prepare yourself according to that, and we will start the revision very soon. So now let's see the today's topic, and that is series. As you can see that the chapter is series, and here we can see that first type is letter series, the next type is again letter series. You can see the first type is letter series, then we have the number series, then we have the alphanumeric series. So basically series, the name of the chapter is series. And it is basically categorized into types, that is letter series, then number series, and alpha numeric, means in which the series that is related by the, or we can say the series that is related to the English letters, that is from A to Z. For example, let's see by the example. If it is given like A, C, E, then you have to tell the next 2 letters, and this is the series, means you have to complete the series. Or in series you can get the question that you have to find the missing term, or you have to find the wrong term. So now here A, C, and E. Now as you all know that in the beginning, or in the initially, I have told you that you have to learn the numeric values of all the English letters. Let's see, here it is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and this is 26. As you can see that the A to Z English letters are written, and in front of them we have written the numeric values. So we should all know the numeric values of all the English letters, because this is the basics of the aptitude. सबसे बेसिक चीज़ है एप्टीट्यूड की, क्योंकि ये चीज़ हमारी काफ़ी चीज़ों में, काफ़ी टॉपिक्स में, काफ़ी चीज़ों में यूज़ होएगी. और अब जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइप, वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द लेटर सीरीज A, C, E, एंड देन वी हैव टू फाइंड द नेक्स्ट 2 terms in the series. Now how can I represent A? A is 1, C is 3, E is 5, means you can see 1, 3, 5, means this is a series of odd numbers. So next number should be 7, and then 9. What is at the 7? It is G. And what is at 9? It is I. So next 2 numbers in the series is G and I. So this is the basic example of the letter series. Now let's do number series. Number series, how can you write like 2, 4, 6, 8, and you have to tell the next 2 terms. So as you can see, this is the series of even numbers. It is starting with a 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So obviously next number will be 10, and then it is 12. So this is the basic example of the second type, that is number series. Now third is alphanumeric. Alphanumeric is basically that series which consists of both the letters as well as the numeric values. Alpha numeric. For example, A1, B2, C3, D4. So we have to tell the next term. So this is A, B, C, D. Obviously next term is E. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So next term is 5. So the next series is E5. So means what we have to do, we have to discuss about the three important types of the series, that is the letter series, number series and alphanumeric series in the given chapter series. अब सीरीज से आपको क्या समझ में आ रहा है? सीरीज इज बेसिकली अ चेन ऑफ एनी ऑब्जर्वेशंस, यू कैन से. अब ऑब्जर्वेशंस में क्या क्या हो सकता है? चेन ऑफ लेटर हो सकते हैं, नंबर हो सकते हैं, अल्फान्यूमेरिक हो सकते हैं. अब उसमें हमें क्या क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? आइदर वी हैव टू फाइंड द मिसिंग टर्म और आइदर वी हैव टू फाइंड द रॉन्ग टर्म गिवन इन द सीक्वेंस और द सीरीज. और उसके साथ साथ हमें A to Z की सारी न्यूमेरिक वैल्यूज़ याद होनी चाहिए. A1 आपसे रेंडमली भी कोई पूछा जा सकता है, तो H किस पे आता है तो आपको पता होना चाहिए. इट्स 8, K इज़ 11, U इज़ 21, Q इज़ 17, Y इज़ 25, लाइक दिस. सो ये आपको सारी न्यूमेरिक वैल्यूज़ पता होनी चाहिए. सो लेके क्वेश्चन और देखते हैं अभी हम इनके ऊपर ही बेस्ड. नंबर सीरीज, सब फर्स्ट लेटर सीरीज. This is A, then B, then D, then it is G. So the next number will be. See the series again, A, B, D, G. So the next number will be. अब कैसे पता लगेगा? जब तक हम इसकी न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू नहीं लिखेंगे हम वो कंसेप्ट नहीं फाइंड आउट कर सकते. तो बेसिक थिंग इज दैट वी हैव टू राइट द न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू. सो A is 1, B is 2, D is 4, G is 7. So what is the next number? As you can see the logic, here it is increased by 1, then here it is increased by 2, and here it is increased by 3. So it means if we go with that sequence, the next number will automatically increase by 4. So 7 plus 4, that will be 11, and at 11 what comes? K comes. As you can see 11 पे बेटा हमारा क्या आता है? 11 पे हमारा K आता है. So this is again the basic type of the letter series. इस तरह से हमारे बहुत सारे लॉजिक्स बन सकते हैं, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. Now see one question of number series. Now 1, 2, or you can say 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Then the next number will be. अब आप देखिए यहाँ पर क्या दिख रहा है आपको? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. It means you can see the squares of the number is given, or you can see a series of perfect squares in this. So 1 is 1 square, 2 is 2 square, 4 is 2 square, 9 is 3 square, 16 is 4 square, and 25 is 5 square. So how can you say that the next number will be automatically the square of 6? Square of 6, that is 36. So this is one of the example of the number series. The third is alphanumeric series, and if we write like A1, B4, C9, D16, so E25. So next number will be, or next alphanumeric will be. Now as you can see here it is A, this is alphanumeric series. This is alphanumeric series. So A1, B4, C9, D16, E25. So means A, B, C, D and E. So next number obviously should be F, and then 1, 4, 9 means A is numeric value of A is 1, so 1 square is 1. Numeric value of B is 2, so 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is similarly F is 6, so 6 square is 36. So the next, or you can say the missing term in the given series is F36. So बेटा यहाँ पे हमने 3 टाइप डिस्कस करी है किस किस की? The chapter series, letter series, number series and alphanumeric series. You have to practice at least 5 questions from the book. This is the book. You have to practice at least 5 questions from this book, Know Your Aptitude Class 7th, of all the 3 types, and all the 3 types consisting of the number series, alphanumeric series. There are many questions given. The number series is there. here, starting from the chapter series, the letter series is there. Again letter series 2. Then you can have number series, and at last the alphanumeric series. So आपको क्या करना है, minimum, this is minimum, you can do even more questions, but at least minimum you have to try, or you have to practice the 5 random questions from the all the 3 series. और अब आगे in the next video we will discuss about the few more chapters of aptitude. Okay students, and I hope you are completing your work on time, because from the next month in the starting we will start the revision exercise, and then we will have the frequently we will take the test. Okay students, so this is your book. See it again, Know Your Aptitude for class 7. Okay, thank you.